Estimating and project planning are essential in your pre-sales activities as a consulting organization. But a lot of the teams today are managing this process manually using Excel spreadsheets. This not only takes a lot of time, but is also frustrating and error-prone. DreamCatcher can help solve this problem through the use of automated project estimation and planning tools. This innovative feature will not only save you time and effort, but also lead to more accurate and consistent project plans and financial estimates that will help you respond faster to new sales opportunities. DreamCatcher introduces the ability to define task templates and estimate templates. Using task templates, you control what tasks should be automatically generated for each user story. Estimate templates allow you to then automatically estimate these tasks using one of the many estimation methods available. The ability to automatically create tasks and estimates is a great time saver and helps you quickly estimate an entire project. Project planning tools in DreamCatcher then give you the ability to further adjust the estimates using various estimate buffers and complexity factors. This gives you fine-grained control to customize the estimates based on the specific needs of a customer. Once the estimates are established, you then specify the resources available to work on the project, along with their utilization levels. Resources are defined by skills such as business analysis, development, or testing. Once estimates and resources are defined, DreamCatcher will automatically calculate the project duration with the start and end date. You can pick either Agile, Scrum, or Waterfall as the methodology and fine-tune parameters such as sprint duration or number of hours in a day. The best part is that once you are happy with the project duration, DreamCatcher automatically generates detailed project plans and estimate reports, down to an individual task level. This exciting feature not only saves you valuable time, it also helps you deliver high-quality project plans to your customers with minimal effort. You can respond faster to new opportunities with accurate project plans and financials you can trust.